Lifts don't just move people, they keep cities in motion. From shopping centres that serve thousands of customers, to hospitals where every second counts, to campuses where smooth access powers every day, lifts are essential to keep everything running. But when you can't see what's happening in real time, when problems escalate before they're detected, when communication fails in critical moments, you're chasing problems, not preventing them. With SafeLine, every product works together. Built for reliability, simplicity and total transparency, we give you quality and safety in modern lift technology. From single lifts to entire portfolios, you stay connected and in control. This is SafeLine Orion, a smart, connected platform combined with innovative products for smarter lift operations, with real-time visibility, predictive insights, and remote access. It unites monitoring, control, and communication into one seamless system. SafeLine is optimized for property owners and lift service professionals alike. Engineered in Sweden. Experience Orion and the SafeLine ecosystem. SafeLine, your partner in lift safety.